Efficient ways of email marketing. Have you ever wondered how to set up an efficient email marketing system? Do you often wonder what are the ways to be efficient in marketing through email? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of autoresponders in email marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about efficient ways of email marketing. Now let's get into it. While you may think that having your own website is all that's essential, if your home-based business is to succeed, any successful internet marketing email home-based business needs another asset just as much. What is it? If you have a mailing list of people who have purchased a product or provided a response to one of your ads with verifiable email addresses, you are in possession of something that will make you the envy of many internet marketers. But it will take a while for you to build it. What are your best methods for getting a list big enough to set you up with a profitable internet marketing email home-based business? Article directories and free reports. If you want to build a list of email addresses genuinely interested in whatever your home-based business is selling, write or pay to have written articles on your product, then submit them to article directories, where you will be given a resource box at the end of each article. Use the resource box to include a newsletter sign-up, and if your article were good, you will get the email addresses of readers who had liked to follow up. Most people can pass up a free offer related to something in which they are interested, so by writing and offering free reports about your products to those who join your mailing list, you will be following in the footsteps of some very savvy internet entrepreneurs. Just make sure the information in your free reports is current and accurate, because they may be the first impression you give to potential customers. You certainly don't want them to be the last. List building sites. List building sites are matrix programs which require you to refer people to join after you. The referrals of your referrals become your second-level referrals, and you can send your mails to them and everyone whom they refer. It's typical matrix stuff and works fine as long as you get in near the top and have referrals who are willing to share their lists of referrals. ListBandit.com has a twist in that every 24 hours it randomly flips the positioning in the matrix, so that some days you have a lot of email addresses to which you can send your mailings, and other days you are on the bottom of the list. You have to be prepared to do your mailings on the good days, and that is not the most efficient way to promote a business. Become a blogger. You almost have to have a blog if you want to succeed at marketing, because a blog gives you an opportunity to build real rapport with your prospective customers. You can place sign-up forms for your free reports on each page of your blog, and if your readers are impressed with your blog's contents, they will probably sign up to learn more. There are plenty of other ways to begin building a list for your internet marketing email home-based business, but whichever method you choose, it's key to build trust with your customers by keeping their information private and by making sure that you give them quality information. Use email automatic responders. An email automatic responder or autoresponder is the second most important marketing tool I have to make money online. The first would be my hosting company. Without these two tools, my internet marketing business is dead in the water. In the world of internet marketing, millions of sites are fiercely competing with each other to gain new clients. For any e-commerce site to succeed, it must capture the interest and the trust of its visitors. It is not enough that your site is perfectly designed or has the latest in animation of content. You should focus your efforts not only in attracting visitors, but also in leading them to make a purchase. There are dozens of marketing strategies you can use to attract more buyers and pump up your sales. One of them is by establishing an excellent and professional reputation for prompt and efficient response. As more potential customers visit your site, you should expect a flood of inquiries and requests for information. This is an excellent opportunity for you to capture more clients and lead them to buying from your site. Thus, it is important that you carry out an efficient and prompt response to every email you receive. The fastest and most effective way to do this is by utilizing an email automatic responder. Autoresponder services use a computer program that automatically returns a pre-written message to anyone who sends an email to your site. It is widely used for responding to consumer inquiries and visitor comments and suggestions. How can effective autoresponder services help boost your business? The answer lies in its ability to return a prompt response to any email the site receives. By responding rapidly and efficiently, you create a very good impression on your potential customer. Good email autoresponders help you get important information back to these customers immediately. An effective autoresponder service helps you communicate your message promptly, creating a sense of professionalism and efficiency that your clients will definitely appreciate. Another very important advantage of email automatic responders is that it saves time with multiple marketing tasks. Certainly, you do not have enough time to personally make and send all correspondence. Autoresponder services allows you to send thank you letters, newsletters, product information, brochures, orders, etc. to hundreds of clients almost immediately and simultaneously. Autoresponder services are also indispensable in any email marketing campaign. Choosing the right autoresponder is very important. What makes the best automatic responder? First, you should pick an autoresponder that is reliable and can give you 24/7 service. You cannot afford to lose a customer because your autoresponder failed to answer his query or request for information. The ability to respond promptly is the first thing you must look for in any automatic responder. Another key factor you should consider when choosing autoresponder service is flexibility. Good autoresponders allow you to customize unique responses that will have maximum effect on the customer. You should avoid creating an impression that the customer is communicating with a machine instead of a real human being. An excellent email automatic responder lets you provide the information that is specifically targeted for what the potential customers are looking for. Because any email from potential customers essentially represents the customer's intent on getting more information about your product, which can ultimately lead to direct sales, all emails are important. Thus, a top autoresponder services must fulfill all these duties to help you boost your business. For all of our autoresponder needs, we prefer 𝐦𝐨𝐬. They are very reasonably priced and have proved to be reliable and easy to use. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about efficient ways of email marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.